The Supreme Court has ruled that presidents are immune from prosecution for official acts, a decision that has further delayed the trial of former President Donald Trump over allegations of election interference. The ruling, which fell along ideological lines with a 6-3 vote, signifies a broad interpretation of presidential power and immunity that could impact future presidents. Chief Justice John Roberts, writing for the majority, emphasized that a president cannot be prosecuted for exercising core constitutional powers. This protection is meant to ensure that presidents can carry out their duties without fear of retribution from their successors. However, Roberts clarified that this immunity does not extend to unofficial acts, meaning Trump could still face prosecution for actions taken outside his official presidential role. Trump's efforts to overturn the 2020 election, including his interactions with Justice Department officials, were deemed to be within the scope of his official duties and thus immune from prosecution. The decision has created a significant legal hurdle for special counsel Jack Smith's case against Trump. The lower courts must now determine which of Trump's actions can be classified as unofficial and therefore prosecutable. This process is expected to be lengthy and complex, as it involves examining the specifics of Trump's conduct during the contentious period following the 2020 election. The liberal justices, in a scathing dissent, criticized the ruling. Justice Sonia Sotomayor accused the majority of granting Trump and future presidents unprecedented power, likening the decision to establishing a president as a king above the law. Sotomayor's dissent was joined by Justices Elena Kagan and Ketanji Brown Jackson, who expressed fear for the future of American democracy. Conservative media outlets praised the decision, highlighting the importance of protecting presidential prerogatives and ensuring that presidents can govern without legal distractions. Trump's legal team celebrated the ruling, viewing it as a significant victory that would prevent what they describe as politically motivated prosecutions. The ruling does not come without controversy. Some argue that it sets a dangerous precedent by effectively placing presidents above the law for acts committed under the guise of official duties. Critics from liberal circles believe that this ruling could allow future presidents to engage in misconduct without fear of legal repercussions, undermining the rule of law and democratic principles. Tensions between the conservative and liberal justices have been highlighted by this case. Justice Clarence Thomas further stirred the pot by questioning the constitutionality of special counsel Jack Smith's appointment, casting doubts on the legitimacy of the prosecution itself. This decision arrives amidst a highly charged political atmosphere, with Trump being the presumptive Republican nominee for the upcoming presidential election. The case's delay means that voters will likely have to go to the polls without a resolution to these legal proceedings, leaving the matter of Trump's alleged misconduct to public opinion rather than judicial determination. In the broader context, this ruling has profound implications for the balance of power within the U.S. government. By extending presidential immunity, the Supreme Court has reinforced the executive's independence while igniting a debate over the potential for abuse of power. Whether this decision will safeguard the presidency or open the door to unchecked executive behavior remains to be seen, but it undeniably places a significant check on judicial oversight of presidential actions.